PakSao was just this motion, right? There. This is your slap and hit, right? Like that. So now I'm going to give you combinations to this now, right? So the first one is we're going to do two of the same. I'm going to do a PakSao and then I'm going to do a PakSao again. So I'll do it 2 times. Mm-hmm. So now your partner has 3 options, right? The third one is a totally valid option, but I don't know, but it's an option for me, but not a really good option for him. So the first one is he'll block center line like this. That means he blocks, his pressure goes into me. The second one is he crosses center line, and the third one he just lets me hit him in the face. So that's why number 3 is not good. I didn't make this up, it was my instructor who made it up. So you're always trying to aim for 3, and 1 and 2 is just, whatever, but he gets hit again. So what I want you to do now, for him to give me that pressure, is I want him to pass center line. And the way you get people to pass center line is you have to hit fast. If you punch so look at this, right? In WingChun, it's very normal, or a lot of low rank students, they punch and then they keep their arms out like this, right? They keep it extended. In JKD, you don't necessarily do that because you're trying to hit him again. So if I do this, that means I can't hit him because now I'm using this time to keep my arm extended. So what you want to do is you just want to hit and then you want to trap, because this is not, you're not aiming to get a trap. In traditional WingChun is they need this connection to fight. So I get this and I punch and then I trap again. So that's where they fight. In JKD you have that option, but you're not bound by it. Your only objective is to hit him. If he blocks, then you have to trap. But you don't need the trap to fight. Does that make sense? Okay? So when you go here, you trap, boom. So now if I'm doing it like that, he's gonna block straight. I just want you to pass. So he's gonna pass this way. I'm not going to turn my hand this way. I'm just gonna PakSao like that. And because I'm doing it quick, he's gonna panic, and then he's going to cross center. So I'll do it slowly. When you cross the center line like this hand goes up and pulls down to 6 o'clock. There, and then pull down to 6 o'clock. So when I'm doing this, you see this like that, because I'm trying to move it back to center. When I pull this, that goes straight into the face. Because I'm going here, and then he's pushing me off. So right there, you're creating this tension. When you release this, it goes straight face. So you don't have to punch straight after this. When you go here, you just use this angle to give him a back fist. So the bottom hand goes up and you pull him down to 6 o'clock. As you pull him down to 6, the reason why I'm doing this is this. If you just keep it here, he can lift his shoulder, just pull your arms up. No, up, just straight up, still like that. He still has enough strength that he can lift it up. If you pull him here, now lift, he can't, because my arm is extended and I actually reinforce the structure. So if you want to avoid him fucking up your hit, you don't leave it there. You pull it all the way down, because this shuts him off. So you go 1, and then when you post, boom, you go right there. So you go PakSao, and then you do LapSao there. And notice what I'm doing is I'm going here. As I pull, I make sure my arm touches his face. 1, 2, like that. 1, 2. There, so you use this pressure to give you that one. So you go in once, and then twice is here. Okay, so 1, 2. The faster, you don't have to do this, the faster I do it, the more he's going to there. You see that? Because if I pretend, it looks nice, you see? And I'm not hitting his arm on purpose, but this is how you have to do it. If I do it like that, it's nice. The moment I do it for real, I get this trap, because then his reaction is real and not like. But for you guys, just here, do a straight punch, and you will feel he's pushing. Grab under the bridge and hit the jaw. So when you do the back fist, you can hit the jaw, you can hit the temple. In phase 3, when you're hitting motorcycle helmets, when you hit this, it fucking hurts if you don't hit the visor, because you're hitting motorcycles, your fist gets fucked up. So a lot of people prefer to hit like that. Because we're keeping it very basic, I just want you to do it with your fist, with your knuckles, like that. Okay? 1, 2. 1, go under the bridge, and back fist. You think you can do that?
Let's see.